Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, as you know, government has announced lockdown number 3. Schools are closed now. It is only just for safety of your health and the life. But we are prepared and planned now. It is need to be more strong and the patient. Nations are testified in the difficult times only. Now, how we planned, I tell you this. Every Thursday, you will get diary in which different tasks we will assign you to complete at home. That diary you can get from our WhatsApp group, from our Facebook page is the name Leaders. Similarly, you can get the diary from our YouTube channel, The Brain Tutor. Even if you feel difficulty, still we can deliver you at your doorstep. Secondly, thing which we are doing now, to guide you, to facilitate you, we will upload the regular videos on our YouTube channel, The Brain Tutor. You can subscribe our channel, watch those videos and take help to solve your diary. I hope you will remain with us. Thank you. Thank you to all.